Welcome guys. So let's solve this relative sort array. Okay, so given to this problem is easy, but still I think still a little bit interesting, right? So array 1, 2, and array 2 are all distinct, and array 1 every element of array 2 are in array 1, and sorted element array 1 such that relative order either array 1 the same as array 2. Element do not appear. Array 2 should be placed at the end of array 1. Okay, so 2 should be all placed. Okay. Right in the beginning, and the 1 should be the second, fourth, 3, 3, 9, 6, 7, 8. So 7 and 19 are not in the array 2, right? But so they should be in a ascending order. Also 22, 28, 8, 6. So right, and the 17 is not in, so 44 are not in, so ascending. Okay, so this problem is a famous counting sort, right? So you just use key in array 2 to count array 1. Okay, so let me just do it again. And so the step is first one is use key in array 2 to sort array 1, right? And then you can initialize array called none. So basically, you go through so once you go through the array 1, let's say you go through I go through array 1. If I is not in array 2, so if I not in array 2, then let's say you use your none and append I. So you collect the number which is not in array 2. Okay, so now you finish this array, and you can build the answer by use count sort, right? So you can count sort this array 1 plus none, right? And you sort the none, sorted. Okay, this is the algorithm. So let me just do this problem. Okay, so now you can create a dictionary, right? So a dictionary with the keys with 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 9, 6. I go, so I get 2, 2, 2. So 3, 2, and 1, 1, and 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1, 6, 1, 9. Right. So now I go through this and create 2, 2, 2, and 1, and 4, and 3, 3, 9, 6. Okay, plus the num, right? So after this num will append the two number, which is 17, says 7 and 19, and I sort it. So it's 7 and 9. So this is the answer. Okay, that's it. So let's create a default dictionary and H2 to be settled array. So this is just a simple step that I can, so now I can check whether a number in an array is very fast. So create a num and it goes to array and that counts. So this is the Python language. Basically, you can just count hi is get I 0 plus 1. If I is not in array 2, then you just append. Okay. Now you create the answer. Basically, this is the sort, right? So for I in array 2, and then you go through for I in range H1, then you append I. Okay. So basically, this is the parts that you basically is this part, right? You just go through this and collect everything. Okay, then now you return the answer plus sorted none. Okay. Oh, very simple. Nice shot. Okay, so see you guys in the next videos.